if you're watching this, you're most likely trying to decide if you should enroll for this course or not. Let me help you take that decision. There are three questions really which you should ask and answer for yourself. Let us go to these questions one by one. Question 1 is, who are you? Question 2, what will you learn from this course? And question 3, how are you going to use this learning in your life? Let's go to question 1. Who are you? Are you somebody who is absolutely new, fresh to the world of accounting and finance? Well, you should take the course. Are you somebody who is familiar with the world of accounting and finance, but you've not undergone any structured training program? You should certainly consider taking this course. Does not matter whether you are a student or a professional, the course is going to be equally good for both the groups. Question 2, what are you going to learn in this course? Well, if you follow business news, if you read newspaper or follow news on the television, and you've come across terms like assets, liabilities, incomes, expenses, and you wonder how companies take care of recording hundreds and thousands of transactions happening every day, and how do they keep track of what are their profits, what is the total amount of assets they have. And if you've been wondering about various fancy terms that news people use, such as earnings per share, depreciation, EBITDA, and so on, then you should certainly consider taking this course. In this course, we will learn to read the financial statements. We'll take a company and download its financial report and look at balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement in order to understand all of that. We will also learn how these numbers in the financial statements are arrived at. We will also learn how to analyze these numbers and derive information out of these numbers. So, if any of this is of slightest of interest to you, you should certainly register for this course. Question 3, how will you use this learning in your life? Well, the chances are either you are working with an organization or in the near future you will be working with an organization. Now, organizations run on money. Finance is the lifeblood of an organization, and you should be well equipped to understand if your future is secured with an organization. Also, as a consumer, you purchase goods from various companies, buying electronics which have warranty or guarantee period of 5 to 10 years. You want to know whether the company is going to be existing for that long. Therefore, in this course, the learning that you will have will be useful to you as a stakeholder in an organization. As a stakeholder, you may be part of the management team where you may need to take decisions, sign off on financials, and you better know what the numbers in those financial statements mean. Or you may be an employee who's interested in learning how much the company can pay me, or will the company survive in the near future, and so on. Therefore, if financial health of an organization is of interest to you, you will be able to utilize the learnings from this course. There you go. I've answered these three questions for you. Now, if you found useful answers, fruitful answers for yourself, go ahead and enroll for this course. And if you're still with me, let me take you through a preview of the 12-week journey that we will have learning in this course. In the first couple of weeks, there will be ups and downs throughout the course period. But first couple of weeks are going to be really interesting because the rate of learning is going to be high. You will be exposed to new terminology. It's mostly theoretical in the beginning, so it'll be of interest and you'll pick up things fairly very quickly. The core of the course, which is week 3 to 8, is what is more difficult and technical in nature, and that is where you will need to strive a little bit hard. But don't worry, the good news is that everything is based upon a scientific method. If you learn that method, it'll be easy sailing for you, and I'll be with you throughout the course to help you through difficulties. Week 9 and 10 are going to be the time when you will see everything coming together, all the pieces of puzzle, whatever you've learned in the previous few weeks, all of that will come together and you'll see how financial statements come to life, right? And eventually in the last couple of weeks we will learn a few more decision making techniques using which you could convert data into information. So that is how the 12 weeks are planned for you in this course. So go ahead, register for the course, and I look forward to meeting you in the course.